how to never hide the menu bar on your Mac. So you want to go to your settings or system settings right here. And then you want to scroll down until you find desktop and dock. And then you will see this menu bar and automatically hide and show the menu bar. If you cannot find it in desktop and dock, you want to go to general, or if you don't find it in general too, you can go to control center. So the menu bar setting is between general, control center, or desktop and dock. In my Mac is in desktop and dock. And then after you find it, you want to change it to never right here, because the basic one is in full screen only. So if you change it to your Safari right here, for example, in full screen, it will hide the menu bar. But if you change it to never, it will never hide again. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.